Hi guys, you are probably here because you are looking for an in-depth and honest branded surveys review. So you are in the right place. In this branded surveys review, we are gonna run through exactly what is branded surveys, how does branded surveys work, how much does branded surveys pay, is it legit or is it one of the scam sites to stay away from, and what is my advice. This way you could decide if this website is worth joining. So if you are interested, keep watching and as always smash that like button. Obviously it helps the algorithm. Thank you. Now if you don't know what branded surveys is, it is a GPT app that pays users for answering surveys. The company was founded in 2012. You can participate in a variety of online surveys with branded surveys. Ways to earn points on the platform include online surveys, polls, promo codes, referrals. Like other survey sites, branded surveys is simply to use. All you need to do is register for free accounts, answer a few demographic questions, and start taking surveys. Branded surveys is quite restrictive when it comes to membership. The platform is only open to residents of the US, the UK, and Canada. After setting up your account, you can log into your account's dashboard to see the surveys you qualify for. These are listed under Survey Spotlight. With a lot of these surveys, you will see them available in your dashboard and your email, but you won't actually be able to qualify for a lot of them. If you try to take a survey and you are disqualified, you will get 1 to 3 points, so which is equivalent to 1 to 3 cents. So think of it early, so you don't end up wasting your time. In your dashboard, you will also see the estimated time it will take to complete them and how many points you will earn. The points you will receive for each survey depend on the specific survey, but each point is worth $0.01, 1 cent. So you will need 100 points to earn $1. So you will need 1000 points to earn $10. I should mention there are other ways to earn on here aside from surveys. You can do daily polls that you those only take a few seconds to complete and they pay 5 cents. There are paid offers which are small tasks from other websites such as downloading apps, signing up for subscription and some more surveys. You can earn up to $1 for some of these offers and some only pay a few cents. It just depends. Branded surveys also offers various bonuses for being active on here. And there are 4 ways you can redeem your points. There is PayPal, e-gift cards, donations, and bank transfers. As branded surveys legit, let's see some reviews. At the time of recording this video, on Trustpilot, branded surveys scores an average 4.3 out of 5. It's fair to say that there are mixed reviews from users about branded surveys, but it seems that the positive comments are more than the negative. Some users are happy with their experience and their earnings and have earned from the site for many years, whereas others claiming they are not legit as they haven't been paid. Some complain about the lack of available jobs and that limits what they can earn. Unfortunately, however, this is only a small side income opportunity. You will not be able to create a full-time income or get rich from this site. Branded surveys isn't a bad site, but it's not a good site either. It's not the best way to work online, but you can test it out for yourself. My advice is that start learning new things and keep yourself updated. If they work, that is good for you. If you fail, then learn from it and never repeat the same mistake. So save your time or invest it to learn something new so that you can create your own online business. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully this video helped you out. You can give me a like and bye bye.